Hello to all smart traders! Welcome to my channel. Today we will review a golden strategy that many traders say has a high win rate and has been created using just two simple and free indicators on TradingView. Are you ready to reach a new level of trading? So, without wasting any time, let's get into today's lesson that could change your trading game. After you select your symbol, you can go to the time frame section and choose the 5-minute time frame. Now just type in the indicator section RMI Trend Sniper. Click on it to add it to the chart. This indicator shows us buy and sell signals, and we also have a middle line that we won't focus on too much. What's important for us are the generated signals. When we see a buy signal, we can enter buy trades, and when we see sell signals, we can enter sell trades. However, we need to know that we can rely solely on one indicator, so we need a second indicator. But we shouldn't use an indicator that is too complicated or has difficult settings. So we go to the indicator tab and search for EMA. Now let's add it to the chart. As the name of this indicator suggests, it shows us the average price of the candles in a linear form, making it very easy and straightforward to work with. When the price breaks below this line, we can understand that our trend has changed to a downtrend, and when the price breaks above this line, we realize that our trend has changed to an uptrend. This way, we can use this indicator to identify the trend. But if these two indicators are combined, we can find better entry points for trades and make good profits from the combination of these two free indicators. However, to increase our win rate, we need to change the default settings of these two indicators. So let's enter the settings of our first indicator and change the values you see. Now, after doing this, we need to enter the settings of the second indicator and apply some changes there as well. After making changes to both indicators, it's time to understand where we should enter trades. But before that, I want you to make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Well, it's time to start a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal. After that, we must ensure that at this point, we are in an uptrend and that the candles are above the moving average line. When these two conditions are met, we understand that we have found the right entry point for the trade. We just need to set our stop loss a little below the last swing low. Now we can enter the buy trade and consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for our take profit. Now just wait for the price to reach your take profit level and close the trade with a profit. For a sell order, you should first look for a sell signal. After that, make sure you are in a downtrend and that this signal was generated within this area. If both of these conditions are met, we understand that we have found the right entry point for the trade. Now we can set our stop loss a little above the last swing high. Now enter the trade, and for the take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now just wait for the price to reach your take profit and close the trade with a profit. With this simple and effective strategy, you can identify better entry and exit points and have more successful trades. The combination of free indicators and practical techniques allows you to achieve consistent profitability without complexity and confusion. Remember that the key to success in financial markets is practice and adherence to trading rules. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more strategies, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for upcoming videos. Thank you for your support, and until the next video, may you be successful and profitable.